Hey everyone, welcome back to Dad Life. Hope everyone's enjoying the end of their weekend and getting ready for the start of their work week here. Tonight we're gonna do a special kind of dinner, and the reason why we're doing this special kind of dinner is because it's somebody's birthday. Come on up, Caitlin. Yes, this is my oldest daughter, Caitlin, who just turned 23 yesterday. So if you can do the math, that means that I am getting old. So we know that Caitlin's favorite meal is hibachi. She loves it so much, and we couldn't do it yesterday because Caitlin was in Disney World with her boyfriend doing food and wine. Yes, her boyfriend, that guy right there, Kenny. Yep, all right. So we decided that tonight we're gonna do, why are you laughing? It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. We're gonna do Caitlin's birthday dinner right here on the Blackstone Griddle. We're doing Steak Hibachi on the Blackstone Griddle. So for our ingredients on our steak hibachi tonight, we have onions, zucchini, fresh broccoli, and our white jasmine rice that was cooked up yesterday and been cold in the fridge, our bean sprouts, our outside skirt steak. In the past, I've used inside skirt steak, and one of my viewers had commented on one of my videos and asked me why I always used inside skirt steak. And I really didn't know, but I thought inside skirt steak was the better of the two, and come to find out, outside skirt steak is more tender. So tonight, we're going with outside skirt steak. We have our eggs, our mushrooms, and our carrots, and of course, salt and pepper, our soy sauce, and some granulated garlic. Let's take this outside and get cooking. All right, we're gonna get started. Put down my canola oil. And the first thing I like to put on are the carrots because they usually seem to take the longest to cook. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add some granulated garlic to the carrots. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add some water to this and put my dome on. Hopefully it'll help to cook these carrots up a little bit quicker. All right, well, I got the carrots cooking over there. I'm gonna add the mushrooms. Oh, I love it. Look at all those mushrooms. All right, just like the carrots, I like to add the granulated garlic to these mushrooms. All right, we're gonna attempt our volcano here. All right, happy birthday! Woohoo! Happy birthday! Choo choo! Happy birthday! Choo choo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Choo choo! Happy birthday to Caitlin! The volcano. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of our onion. Looks like our mushrooms are cooking up pretty good over here. And we still have our carrots underneath the dome. Look, we got dancing onion. We got a dancing onion. Oh, there's another one. Dancing onion. Check it out. Dancing onion. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of soy to our onions and our mushrooms. And over here to our carrots. All right, yes, the carrots are definitely cooking up. We're gonna go ahead and slide all these carrots over here to the side so I can get some more vegetables on. And we have this side turned on very low. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put some more oil down, and we're gonna put our zucchini on. Whoa, little splash there. I'm gonna go ahead and get these onions off. Whoa, dropped a few. And I will re-add them again once we start mixing everything up, but they cooked a little bit quicker than they normally do. And just like the other vegetables, I like to add the granulated garlic to my zucchini there. All right, we're going to add our broccoli now. And here's the granulated garlic for the broccoli. And we're going to add a little more to the zucchini because I flipped the zucchini. All right, so our mushrooms are about done. I'm going to go ahead and get those off. Okay, let's see how our broccoli's doing. That's some good looking broccoli right there. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting up our zucchini using the Blackstone scraper to just to kind of cut these up into some smaller pieces. It's just easier to cook when they're into bigger pieces, but now that they're starting to cook down, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting them up. Okay, put a little bit more oil down, and now it's time for the bean sprouts. I know it looks like a lot of food, but my family loves to have leftovers. So this will definitely serve for a couple people throughout the week for lunches while they're at work or at school. All right, so, runaway zucchini there. Let's go ahead and get this zucchini off. It's always good to have a helping hand when you're doing all these hibachi cooks. And the helping hand just happens to be the birthday girl. And so we're going to go ahead and take our broccoli off just like we've been taking all of our other vegetables. All right, we're going to go ahead and add some more canola oil, and we're going to get the outside skirt steak on. Baby, listen to that sizzle. Now this skirt steak was marinated earlier with some Worcestershire sauce and some minced garlic. But I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more garlic to it and salt and pepper. Okay, our bean sprouts are cooking up good. They got about a few more minutes and we'll get them off. Wow, look at that skirt steak cooking up nicely. Whoa. All right, let's check on our bean sprouts. All right, they are looking good. We're gonna go ahead and get those off real quick. Thank you, birthday girl. All right, once again, we're adding some canola oil. There's plenty of stuff on here already for the rice not to stick, but it's always good just to add a little bit more. Here we go. All right, everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Caitlin. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Hurry up. All right. And the birthday girl is adding the soy sauce for me here. All right. No fancy tricks tonight with the eggs because our rice is cooking up pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add the egg to the rice. Get that all mixed around in there. And right now we are on low temperature. And I'm gonna go grab my vegetables off the table. So if you remember, this is our carrots and our onions. And get all the onions out of there. Oh, those onions smell so good. Well, let me stir this up a little bit before I add the rest. Our zucchini and our bean sprouts. Oh, and the mushrooms. Forgot about them. All right, so we're all heated back up. We got a big old amount of steak hibachi here. I'm gonna get it in the bucket and we're gonna go inside and try it out. All right, everyone, there you have it. Our steak hibachi with the birthday girl. Smile, birthday girl. All right, we're going inside and we're gonna dig in. All right, everyone. Normally I like to do the ending of my videos, but being that it's the birthday girl's dinner, we're gonna give her the honors and see how it tastes.
All right, here we go. Wow, guys, my dad did it again. This is absolutely delicious. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos.
All right, everyone. Thanks for checking out the Dad Life channel. Happy birthday to my big girl. Mwah. Love you. Dad Life channel.